Welcome to Innovin Foods. Today we are making something cheesy, flavorful and perfect for snack time. Chicken cheese puff. Soft on the inside, crispy on the outside and filled with spicy chicken and gooey cheese. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon yeast and half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Pour in 110 ml warm milk. Use warm milk, not hot, to activate the yeast properly. Mix until well combined. Did you know yeast dough adds a soft and bready texture to puffs? No store-bought pastry needed. Add 1 tablespoon oil and knead into a soft dough. This recipe is a fun twist on pizza rolls made right on your stove top. Rub some oil on top. Let it rest for 40 minutes. Now for the filling. Heat 1 tablespoon oil. Add 1/4 cup chopped onion, 2 green chilies, one teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Saute for a minute. Add half cup boiled shredded chicken. Half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon chili powder and half teaspoon salt. Now add 3 tablespoon chopped capsicum, 3 tablespoon boiled corn, one teaspoon tomato sauce and 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until aromatic and thick. Take a portion of dough and roll it into a rectangle. Spread some pizza sauce. Add the chicken and veggie mixture. Top with mozzarella cheese and a few black olive. Black olives not only add color but a unique tangy flavor to balance the richness. Sprinkle chili flakes and oregano. Don't overcook the filling, just enough to keep it juicy. Now fold the dough as shown. Sealing the edges. And cut into equal pieces. Grease a 9-inch baking mold with oil. Place baking paper and arrange the rolls. Chicken provides lean protein that support muscle health. Corn and capsicum add fiber, vitamins and a natural sweetness. Top with more cheese, capsicum and tomato slices. Homemade dough avoids preservatives found in frozen pastry. Mozzarella is a good source of calcium and helps keep bones strong. Preheat a pan with wire stand for 5 to 7 minutes. Place the mold inside and cook for 18 to 20 minutes on medium-low heat. For best texture, cook the puffs in low-medium heat with the pan tightly covered. And there you have it, cheesy, soft, golden chicken cheese puffs made without an oven. Have you ever made puffs without an oven before? What's your favorite cheesy snack? Tell us, would you try this with paneer or mushroom instead? Like, comment and share this recipe if you love homemade street-style snacks. Thanks for watching Oven Foods. Until next time, keep cooking with love and creativity.